would you like to receive free seeds for your garden? Are you a gardener, or maybe you want to learn how to grow your own plants? We have a fun program for you because we want to get free seeds into the hands of as many people as possible. If you are new here, my name is Shayla, and I am the co-founder of Second Mile Journey with my fiance, Art. Our mission is to teach others to live a more sustainable lifestyle. We hope to encourage others to reduce, reuse, recycle, and go the second mile for someone in their life and with their resources. So, what is this about free seeds, you might be wondering? I have created a way to spread a little love in the form of seeds. If you currently start your garden by seed, then you probably have wound up with an excessive amount of seeds like I have. So here are my seed boxes. This is how I store my seeds. And let me just show you a little example. Here is just one example. I do order some of my seeds from Baker Creek. And one year when I was ordering seeds, I wasn't paying attention and I ordered 2 packets of the same one. Now I've been growing these seeds and there are still tons left in this package that I've been using. So this package has never even been opened, but I have lots of other carrot varieties. So this one, I don't want them to expire, because I'm not even going to open this package until I've used this one, because it's the same one. Also with Baker Creek, they always send out a free packet of seeds. So maybe if you've ever ordered seeds like that and you got a packet of something that you're never going to grow, or it's just not a variety that you like or something. From Baker Creek, I've gotten a cabbage variety when I already had like 10 different cabbage varieties. I've gotten lots of different things that I thought, I'm probably not going to grow that myself. So that's why I came up with this idea, because I don't like to waste things. I like to make them go the second mile, right? So last year, as I was assessing my seed collection, I had a thought. Wouldn't it be cool to set up some kind of seed exchange for all of these extra seeds that we have? That way people could exchange their unwanted seeds for something different. And it doesn't even have to just be vegetables. Here's my other box. This one is my herbs and flowers. So like even my basil is in here. I have a bunch of different varieties of basil, and I haven't even planted basil in years because it reseeds and just comes back all on its own. So I have lots of unopened packets. So as I was thinking about how cool this little seed exchange could be, I started dreaming bigger, because it's all about going the second mile, right? And I thought, what better way to go the second mile than to multiply the amount of seeds that each person gets? Sounds fun, right? And how would you like to make 26 new friends in the process from all over the country? All you have to do to join our seed journey is to find 5 friends that would also like to receive free seeds. It's really easy. You can even just make a post on social media and ask for 5 people that are interested in doing this with you to get some free seeds. After that, you can send them this video so that they know more. And then once you have your 5 friends, you will just need to send me an email, and that's Shayla, S-H-A-L-A, I'll pop it up here on the screen, at secondmilejourney.com. And when you email me, you'll just need to include your first and last name and your mailing address. And then I will need your 5 friends' names, an email address, and a phone number so that I can text them for confirmation. After I get the confirmation from your 5 friends that they're in, then I will send you the name and address of one person to send one of your packets of seeds to. You can go buy a packet, you can pick up a packet from the dollar store if you'd like, or like I said, if you've got some extra seeds lying around that haven't been opened, I do ask that it's a new package. Then you can have that ready to send to your new friend. Once you get that name and address, you just go ahead and get that packet of seeds in the mail. It shouldn't cost you more than 1 postage stamp. If you just put it in a regular envelope, you can include a handwritten note with it, introducing yourself, maybe letting them know what gardening zone you're from or what you love about about gardening. You might just earn a new pen pal this way. The only rule that I ask if you're going to participate in this program is that you get your seeds in the mail within 5 days of receiving the name and address of the person, please. That way we can keep this going quickly and make sure that everybody gets their seeds in a timely manner. And then once you do get that packet put in the mail, I would love for you to email or text me just to let me know that it's on its way, because I want to be able to track this and make sure that everybody participating is getting their full 25 packets of seeds that they should receive. And then we also have a Facebook group, and I will send you a link to that as well. I'll send you a link to that when I send you the name and address of the person for you to send seeds to. If you will join that Facebook group, it would be so great if you could come back and share as you start receiving your seed packets in the mail. I think it'll be so much fun for everybody to see what everyone else is receiving. You should start receiving your free packets within about 2 weeks. I'm really excited to get a lot of new seeds in the hands of existing gardeners or brand new gardeners. Speaking of that, if you are a brand new gardener and you're brand new to seed starting, I have some information to share with you over on our YouTube page. And if you are brand new, please do let me know when you send the email to me with your friends' names, and I'll make sure to send you some free resources. I look forward to learning more about you and getting some free seeds to you. Thank you for helping us to go the second mile today for people and with our resources. Have a great day.